cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Many people has been asking Appa to make a video on double boiling using the 6-liter La Gourmet pressure cooker. So today Appa is going to make it for you. Now, the thing about double boiling is that the main challenge, it is usually it takes a long time. So it will actually, it's a lot of effort just for you to look after the fire, because you don't want the water to really evaporated totally, right? So that is actually a challenge. And then the key to double boil, or should I say, why is it people want to make double boil? Basically, two reasons. Number one, there are certain ingredients that can only use indirect heat, or it is better to use indirect heat to cook it, so that it won't get 炒达, it won't get burned too easily, or the texture or the ingredient, the nutrient in it will not get ruined so easily. Things like bird nest, bird nest. People use double boil to do bird nest because it's giving indirect heat. You don't usually the double boiler, the pot will be put within the water, so it is using the normal fire give heat to the cooking wok, and then from the wok give heat to the water, from the water give heat to the ceramic pot. Okay, so it's an indirect heat transfer, therefore it helps to keep the nutrient. For those who actually sell soya bean also, they also use double boil method. Okay, so that soya bean will not 炒达 so easily. So, but like I said, it takes a lot of effort to prepare, because it's taking a long time, and then it is you need to look after the fire. You don't want the water to evaporate. So now coming together with this particular 6-liter La Gourmet pressure cooker, it comes together with a double boiler ceramic pot inside here. So you know it can actually cook together with using the pressure cooker together. Okay, so just very quickly show you how I'm going to make this concentrated double boil soup here. I have some old chicken. Of course, you can use kampong chicken also, up to you. Just few pieces of that. I have also some feet and also some bones and this is wings. And then let's look at other ingredient here. Now here there are four things inside this small bowl. First, dried scallop, right? Few pieces of dried scallop, 1 pieces of dried oyster, and these are the dried squid, dried squid slices, all soaked under Shaoxing wine. Yes, use Shaoxing wine. Of course, if you don't take alcohol, you use normal water. But if you don't mind taking alcohol, then use Shaoxing wine to soak it. And this Shaoxing wine will taste really good later. It will go inside the soup together, right? So this is actually one tips that you can enhance the flavor of your soup. And here I have 1 pieces of dried soaked shiitake mushroom, and some fish maw also soaked, right? So this may take about at least half an hour to 1 hour. This one will take about 1 hour also. Then you just put all this into the ceramic pot, put it inside the pressure cooker, let it cook, done. That's how simple it is. You don't have to juggle fire. Okay, so very quickly, take out the pot. I'm going to put in the chicken, which is already washed. Next thing, the shiitake mushroom. I'm not removing this yet. The stem is actually good for making soup, yeah. Put in the fish maw. The fish maw actually doesn't have any flavor, but it is something that can let you eat later. Because I'm using old chicken today, therefore the chicken will not be able to be eaten, yeah. The next thing, dried scallop, dried oyster, dried squid together with the Shaoxing wine. Put it in. Then, okay, this is what we have. Then we shall add in the filtered water. 1 bowl. This is some mushroom water just now. Okay. Add in a bit more. Okay, leaving it about 1 inches plus minus. So this is going to be a very highly concentrated soup later because it's going to use double boiling. Close it, and we are going to move it into the pressure cooker.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Okay, first thing first, this 6-liter pot actually comes with 2 inner pot. One is the normal, the non-stick pot. Another one is a stainless steel. So if you are using a double boiler, then today we need to use the stainless steel, alright? Second thing is you need to put in this one, trivet. Okay, put in the trivet. This will raise your pot. Third thing, put some water. Put some water here, just nice to slightly higher than the trivet. Yep, put the water just slightly over the trivet. Then we can carefully put in the pot. After that, close the cover. Just look at this, unlock, and with the triangle here, close it, lock it. Turn the pressure valve here to a seal. Let me on it, and one button just press slow cooking or double boil. Standard it will be 40 minutes. Yeah, so I think we can use 40 minutes, no problem. So meaning the 40 minutes, the cooking time will be 40 minutes. But it will take a few minutes to build out the pressure at the front, and later towards the end it will take somewhere plus minus about 15 minutes to auto release. Now, this particular 6-liter pressure cooker from La Gourmet actually has a manual pressure release button here. But for when you are doing double boiling, try not to use manual release. Allow the cooker to automatically release the pressure by itself, meaning give it another 15 minutes, let it everything done, then only you take the thing out. Okay, if not, the water inside, the soup inside your double boiler may overflow. Appa kena once. Okay, so whatever Appa experience, Appa will actually give you the reminder so that you won't make the same mistake as Appa. And right after this, basically you can just go and do your stuff. 1 hour, plus minus 1 hour later, come back, your double boil soup is ready. That's how simple it is. If you want to know more about this particular La Gourmet 6-liter pressure cooker, I will put the information inside the video caption or video description. So this is the double boil button here, and this is when it is building up the pressure inside. Once the pressure has built up, this turning circle will actually stop turning, and the countdown will start counting also. Okay, I have noticed the red button here, the red valve has already synced in. That is telling you that the pressure inside the cooker has been fully released. Okay, very important. Only when you see this sink in, drop down, then only it is safe to open the pressure cooker. Okay? And like I said, when you are doing double boil, don't use the manual pressure. Let it auto release pressure by itself. So now we can actually open this. Oh, very fragrant. Really, really very fragrant. Let me open this. Oh, check it out. Let me zoom in for you. Can you see this? Can you see this beautiful double boil soup? I done it within 1 hour. and I don't even have to look after the fire. So easy to use. So very carefully, you get a tongue to take out. Alright, this is so gao. Okay, so I've pre-soaked some goji berry here. Can actually put it on top. Oh, so super thick. Oh, the soup is really thick. Maybe let me show you. Oh, this is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. Alright, so my double boil chicken soup is done. You can also add in some ginger and garlic inside if you like at the beginning. Okay? Now, so I hope you like my very simple video today. And to Appa, any equipment before you buy, you must make sure it will really help your cooking life. It makes things easier for you, then it is definitely worthwhile investing. Okay, Appa use pressure cooker very, very often. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. All the information about the pressure cooker and the ingredient I will put inside the description box and or the caption, video caption. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.